tell me about that pain. What size is it?
It like stretches down the length of my neck and into my shoulder.
Stretches down the length of your neck and over there. What size is that?
I would say it's like a foot long, and it looks like it's about like this round maybe.
Okay. A foot long and a round like that. Good. And what color is it?
Earlier today, it was black with white spots, and right now, I have no idea what color it is.
Okay. If you did know what color it was, what color would it be?
It's coming up as like a grayish tan.
A grayish, okay, got it. And what texture is it?
It just feels kind of like a slate almost, like just hard and immovable.
Hard and
Immovable.
immovable. Hard and immovable. And if it made a sound, what sound would it make?
Like if you were to bend steel, that's what came to me.
Ah, good. Now, I'm curious, if you could do something to make it a little more pliable and not rigid like you were talking about, would that make it better?
I think so.
If you could do that, what might you use to make it more pliable?
There I go.
What?
There I go.
Good. Do that. Do that now. Tell me what happens.
I honestly felt it move over here.
Oh, now we're chasing the pain.
Okay.
But it's gone on the right side. Is that correct?
I don't notice as much. I still feel it kind of here, but
Okay, let's chase it. Let's go to the right. Now tell me about it. What color is it?
it's like
White. Texture?
I don't even feel it there anymore.
Isn't that interesting? Would you like to continue this, or are you good?
I mean, I can go through the whole body if you'd like.
By all means, keep going through the whole body. I'll tell you what we did so that you can do it, okay? That is a metaphoric shift. I don't have any idea how she sees her pain. I couldn't have seen an L-shaped steel kind of thing, right? But she did. So I asked her for her metaphors. And then she gave me several. I just wanted to know some things about it. And as soon as I found one or two that I thought we might be able to change, like black with white spots, but it's not that anymore, okay, right? But we could have made it whiter. I wonder what might happen if you took the spots off. I wonder what might happen if it all became white. I might do that, because that's her metaphor, what it is. The color wasn't doing it, okay? So what is the texture? I'm getting to anything I think I can work with. So I wasn't getting a whole lot, so I went with that steel thing. Okay, if you could make that pliable, would it feel better? I think it would. What would you use to do that? I'm not going to say, take a hammer and bang the crap out of it until it's lingered. It's her metaphor, not mine. So what might you use to do that? And she came up with an answer. There was one time she didn't come up with an answer. Maybe it was the color or the sound or whatever it was. I don't know. I know you don't know. But if you did know, what might it be? Almost every time they have an answer for that. Okay? I don't know. I know you don't know. But if you did know, what might it be? Oh, well, then it would be. If I did know, it would be this. Good. Okay? So it worked perfectly. She came up with her answer, and it worked perfectly. As she would, most of the time when we have pain, we're tensing up against it, like in childbirth. Oh, boy, that's what causes the pain. When we relax in childbirth, the body does its natural thing. There isn't any pain, right, for hours. So rather than tense, and when we do that in hypnosis or Lamaze or something like that, it's because we focus on the contraction, take it as a signal, and do something about it. Breathe through it. Take an action to relax through it. Rather than tense up against it. So that's one of the things that we want, that we do with this metaphoric shift, is take the focus to it, give me some things about it, and let's find something that we might change. If they say it's red hot, oh, I wonder if it would feel better if it were cooler. Oh, it sure would. What might you cool it down with? Ice, whatever they come up with. I'm not going to give them something. Randy, did you have a question?
I just wanted you to know that I just did
Okay, free trades.
And I'm better.
What did we get rid of?
A tension, like, that was in the back, back straps. Yeah.
It really works well if if you will focus on it, get your own attributes, and think of something that you can change. And don't worry about it, because whatever you think of is going to work for you because you just thought of it.